South Florida chef says his recipe for Italian-style meatballs is better than Grandma's.
You might not want to tell none of that, though,
right?
but he is willing to share it. Time to grab a bite with Belkys.
Don't tell him.
The chef, Daniel Ganem, serving up Italian cuisine at Fiola in Coral Gables.
Fiola, we are about everything that's Italian. We make our own pastas where everything is house-made. One of the main things is that people have to leave amazed of what we do, our service, the food, and of course this beautiful restaurant that it's the main thing.
Fiola aims to feature both Italian culture and cuisine. You can get dishes inspired by regions across Italy and made with local seasonal ingredients. Dine inside Fiola's dining room or al fresco on the patio or sidewalk. So stop by and check out what we're making today. Good old classic meatballs.
First of all, we're gonna start with some garlic.
The garlic paste goes in a bowl, then tomato paste. Mix the two together and add your meat. Chef Daniel uses ground beef, ground pork, and ground veal.
And then we're gonna add a little bit of our parsley.
Next, add in heavy cream, fennel, pecorino cheese, and Parmesan cheese. Finish the mix with breadcrumbs and you're ready to roll. Use your hands to shape the perfect meatball.
You can make them whatever size you would like.
Now Chef Daniel is ready to cook. He adds oil to a baking pan, then places the meatballs on top. They go into the oven for about 10 minutes. While you wait, grab a saucepan and add garlic, salt, and pepper, some tomato sauce. Then grab the meatballs out of the oven and transfer them to the sauce.
So now it's all about getting them nice and glazed.
The longer the meatballs stay in the sauce, the juicier they get, and finish them off with some basil. Chef Daniel plates the meatballs with king trumpet mushrooms, Parmesan, and some olive oil.
Welcome to Fiola. This is our meatballs. Please enjoy.
Oh, and I'm starved, Chef. That looks so good. Want the recipe? Easy. Just go to our website at WSVN.com and click on Entertainment and then on Bite, and you'll find the recipe right there. And if you want more recipes, you can always follow me on social media. Live in the Newsplex, I'm Belkys. Bon appetito.